learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Hakka training as we take this train to Kaohsiung this month, and we're going to a district known as Sanling. Now, the bottle gourds here are very famous, also known as calabashes. So let's go check it out and maybe even buy some. 今天呢，我们要坐着这火车一直到高雄，然后转到山林区，然后这边有葫芦之乡的美誉哦。到底有多少葫芦在这儿啊？待会来一探究竟啦。Hello Leo， 哎呀，来到这边葫芦之乡嘛，我们山林区，然后我跟你讲，我一直觉得葫芦很漂亮，然后很可爱，怎么长出来就是这个样子，很好玩呢？
你说什么？长出来就这样子？
是啊，不是吗？
不是啦，葫芦小的时候你一定吃过，
是吗？
客家话叫卜
不啊？
对呀，
就护瓜嘛。
是啊，是啊。
原来它是护瓜，然后之后变葫芦就对了。
对，那个葫芦就是护瓜但放了一段时间之后呢，它会表面木质化了，然后呢，它就变成是一个容器，你把里面掏空就可以装东西了。
其实我很喜欢它的形状，尤其是看一些古装剧啊，我觉得好有特色哦。等一下多买几个，我要买回去啊。
可以呀，
可以带我去吗？
没问题。
这边我看这个整个城市真的好多人都会挂一些这个葫芦在他们的屋檐下。
对啊，这边很多葫芦，所以呢，这边的新庄国小他们的学生跟老师就一起创作了葫芦陶板艺，而且校内还有一个葫芦雕刻艺术馆，里面就展示了10大葫芦雕刻技法。哇哦，
这还蛮是一门学问的感觉。
是啊，
哎呀，没想到 Leo 这么了解葫芦啊。
那当然，
我可以套一句话了。我知道你葫芦里卖什么药耶。
我葫芦里不卖药的，我葫芦里卖的是客家知识。
Anyone who wants to pick up a traditional Hakka bottle gourd should look no further than Kaohsiung Shanling District. Known as the Bottle Gourd Township, this pristine agricultural community is the center of bottle gourd carving and art in Taiwan. The local office puts on a bottle gourd cultural festival, and Xingzhuang Elementary School has a special gallery to showcase the 10 main skills for gourd carving, which with the bottle gourd pottery created by students and teachers has become representative of the bottle gourd art form.
好，那 Leo， 我们现在来教大家这些单字喽。你刚刚讲嘛，葫芦小时候这个能吃的时候叫做卜啊嘛，对不对？
蒲
苇 okay? When it's a vegetable, it's 蒲苇. But when it becomes a bottle gourd or a calabash, 葫芦
附录
Okay? And now you know that that's today's Hakka training on ICRT.
什么泰嘎？
按字say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.